Hi guys, welcome to FilamentPHP series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to customize notifications in FilamentPHP. So let's get started. So you can see that our previous video setup over here, and if I click on users and click on create users, and I'm going to use the fact filler to fill the user form. So just fill it, okay, and now let me go and click on create. You can see over here that say created, so that means we have created a user. So if you want to change this message, then how can you do? So let me go to my VS Code editor, go to the app filament, and inside the resources there is a users folder, pages, okay, and there is a create user page over here. Okay, here we need to use the get created notification message methods that we have to override. So get created notification message, and you can see that I'm going to just return. You have to pass the string over here. You can see that question mark string, so we need to pass the message like I'm going to just say user created, simple message, okay, and save it. And now let me go back, go to the users, and again I'm going to create new user. Again I'm going to use the fact filler to create a new user, and click on create, and you can see that user created. So that's working perfectly fine. Now what if you want to add the body, like under the user created there is a user created successfully, and you want to change the icon and all. So let me go here, and there is another method we need to override, that's called get created notification. And you can see that here you need to return the notification object over here. So what we have to do, just remove this, and I will use the notification. Okay, filament notification class, and just make, and here you need to use the title method, and you have to pass the title like user created, okay, that what we have passed the message. Same way you can pass the body as well. So I will use the body, and I will call user created successfully, whatever message you can add it, okay, and the message should be success, okay, so success message. And then I will use the send method over here, okay, and just semicolon and save it. And now let me go back over here again. Let me go to the users, click on new user, and I'm going to use again fact filler to create a new users, and click on create user. You can see that user created and user created successfully. That's looking really nice. What if you want to change this icon? So let me go back, and you can use the icon method as well, okay, and I'm going to use hero icon, and you can use any class that, but I'm going to use any one for now, like academic cap for now I'm going to use. Save it for just demo. Let me go back, and let's create a new user, and again let me use the fact filler. Yeah, you can see that here is the cap. So you can use like a save icon or whatever from the hero icon. So you can go to the official website, and you can choose any icon that's related to the save and edit, okay, so this is perfectly fine. Okay, now what if you want to change for edit? For example, I'm going to change, like you can see that I'm inside the edit page right now. Click on save. Yeah, cannot be null, so let me just use the fact filler to set up the password. You can see that it just called saved, okay. So what you have to do, go to the edit user, and here same way there is a method called get saved notification message, and you can just return the string over here like user edited, for example, or maybe user edited just updated, that would be more appropriated, okay. So user updated, save it. Let me go back over here again. I'm going to use the fact filler and click on save. You can see that user updated. Same way there is a method called get saved notification, and you can update the directly notification class get saved notification, okay. And here I'm going to copy this entire class, okay, just save it, go to the edit user, paste it over here. Okay, here I'm going to change is notification from the filament. Same way, hero icon I'm going to import it, and instead of user created I will use user updated successfully. Save it. Let me go back, and again I'm going to use the fact filler to update and click on save. You can see that user updated and user updated successfully. So that means it is working perfectly fine. Now what if you want to do for the delete? Okay, so if I go and delete and just click on delete, right now it just say deleted. So let me go back over here, and you just need to again use the notification. So here you can see that delete action defined in your edit user page. Okay, so let me go here, and here there is a function called success title. So I will just call success notification title, and it's just return a string. So like this, user deleted, like this. Okay, and save it. And let me go back over here and go to the any user, okay, that have added. Click on edit and click on delete, and you can see that user deleted. So that means you can change just the message, but what if you want to change like title and body, everything? Okay, so again let me remove this success notification, and here as an argument you need to pass the notification. So I'm going to just copy this, and you don't require to use the send method. So delete this, and user deleted, okay, save it. And now let me go back over here, and let's go to the another user and delete, and you can see that user deleted and user deleted successfully. So that means you can easily update your customize your notification messages like this way. And if you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos about FilamentPHP and Laravel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.